Data is everywhere. We create it every day, with every click and every purchase. In this digital age, extracting knowledge from this data is paramount. This is where data scientists come in. They are the detectives of the digital world, uncovering hidden patterns and insights. Germany, with its strong technological infrastructure and thriving economy, recognizes the importance of data. It is rapidly becoming a global hub for data science, offering exciting career prospects for those with the right skills and ambition. This guide serves as your roadmap to navigating the world of data science in Germany. We will delve into the multifaceted role of a data scientist, exploring their core tasks and the tools they wield. Whether you are a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, understanding the German job market is crucial. We will guide you through the requirements, including educational qualifications, technical skills, language proficiency, and work authorization. Furthermore, we will shed light on the thriving data science landscape in Germany. We will explore the industries actively seeking data scientists and the key cities where opportunities abound. Understanding salary expectations is vital, and we will break down compensation trends based on experience and location. For those seeking to solidify their data science foundation, Germany offers a wealth of educational opportunities. We will highlight top universities and programs, delve into their unique features, and outline the admission requirements. Data scientists are problem solvers. They use their analytical skills to extract meaningful insights from complex data sets. Their work is diverse and impactful, ranging from predicting customer behavior to optimizing business processes. Imagine a fashion retailer wanting to understand why a particular line of clothing is not selling well. A data scientist would analyze sales data, customer reviews, and market trends to pinpoint the issue. Perhaps the pricing is not competitive, or maybe the marketing campaign missed its target audience. Data scientists don't just find problems, they provide solutions. They build predictive models to forecast future trends, enabling businesses to make informed decisions. In healthcare, they are using data to diagnose diseases earlier and develop personalized treatment plans. The possibilities are endless. Their work often involves collaborating with other departments. They might work with marketing teams to target customers more effectively, or with engineers to improve product design. Effective communication is key, as they need to explain complex findings in a way that everyone can understand. Data scientists are the bridge between raw data and actionable insights, playing a crucial role in shaping the future of various industries. The toolkit of a data scientist is vast and constantly evolving. Mastery of certain programming languages is essential. Python, with its extensive libraries for data analysis and machine learning, is a staple. R, known for its statistical computing capabilities, is another popular choice. SQL is crucial for managing and querying databases, while familiarity with big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark is often required for handling large data sets. But it's not just about technical skills. A good data scientist needs strong analytical and problem-solving abilities. They need to be able to think critically, identify patterns, and draw meaningful conclusions from data. Furthermore, communication skills are paramount. They need to be able to articulate their findings clearly and concisely, both verbally and in writing, to technical and non-technical audiences alike. Germany offers a robust education system with a strong focus on STEM fields. Aspiring data scientists have several pathways to choose from, each with its own advantages. One common route is to pursue a university degree in a relevant field, such as computer science, statistics, mathematics, or economics. Many universities now offer specialized master's programs in data science, providing in-depth knowledge and practical experience. These programs often include coursework in machine learning, data mining, statistical modeling, and database management. Practical experience is highly valued in the data science field. Internships, part-time jobs, or personal projects can provide invaluable hands-on experience and make your CV stand out. Attending workshops and conferences can also expose you to the latest trends and connect you with industry professionals. Section 5: Navigating the German Work Landscape. Germany welcomes skilled professionals from around the world. However, navigating the visa and work permit process requires careful planning and understanding of the regulations. The most common visa option for skilled workers is the EU Blue Card, which requires a recognized university degree and a job offer with a certain minimum salary. For those outside the EU, researching visa requirements well in advance is crucial to ensure a smooth transition. When searching for jobs, online platforms specializing in data science roles are excellent resources. Networking is equally important. Attend industry events, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and reach out to companies directly to express your interest. A well-crafted CV highlighting your skills and experience, along with a compelling cover letter tailored to each specific job application, can significantly increase your chances of landing an interview. Section 6. Mastering the language of data science in Germany. While many companies in the tech industry operate in English, proficiency in German is a significant advantage in the German job market. It not only broadens your job prospects but also allows for a deeper cultural immersion and a more fulfilling life in Germany. Many language schools offer intensive German courses tailored to different proficiency levels. Immersing yourself in the language through movies, music, and local interactions can accelerate your learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the process. Start with basic communication and gradually work your way up. The effort you put into learning German will pay dividends in your professional and personal life in Germany. Section 7. The German Data Science Hubs, where opportunities flourish. Germany boasts a vibrant tech scene with several cities emerging as major hubs for data science. Berlin, the capital city, is a melting pot of innovation and startups. Its thriving tech ecosystem attracts talent from all over the world, creating a competitive but rewarding job market. Munich, home to renowned companies like BMW and Siemens, offers ample opportunities in the automotive and engineering sectors. Frankfurt, a global financial hub, is witnessing a surge in demand for data scientists in the fintech industry. Hamburg, with its bustling port and logistics industry, offers unique opportunities in supply chain management and data analytics. These cities offer a high quality of life, with excellent infrastructure, cultural attractions, and a welcoming environment for expats. Section 8. Salary expectations. Reaping the rewards of your expertise. Data science is a highly sought-after profession in Germany, and salaries reflect this demand. Entry-level positions typically offer a comfortable starting salary, while experienced professionals can command high salaries comparable to those in other tech-driven economies. Factors influencing salary include location, industry, company size, and your level of experience and expertise. Berlin and Munich, with their higher cost of living, tend to offer higher salaries compared to other cities. Industries like finance and consulting often offer more competitive compensation packages. Negotiation is key when discussing salary expectations. Research the average salaries for your position and location, highlight your skills and experience, and don't be afraid to advocate for your worth. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the future of data science in Germany. The field of data science is rapidly evolving, and Germany is at the forefront of this data revolution. With its strong economy, thriving tech industry, and commitment to innovation, Germany offers a fertile ground for data scientists to flourish. Whether you are drawn to solving complex business problems, improving healthcare outcomes, or shaping the future of artificial intelligence, Germany provides ample opportunities to make a real-world impact. The journey to becoming a successful data scientist in Germany requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. Embrace the challenges, network with fellow professionals, and never stop exploring new possibilities. The future of data science is bright, and Germany is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.